Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling location and mobile data, then sign into your Google account so settings sync. Once done, choose the car profile and set preferences, avoid tolls or prefer fastest. This affects route selection. Next, type the destination into the search bar, make sure the start point is correct, and tap directions. You'll see suggested routes. Tap the primary route to start guidance. This gets you moving immediately, while preserving personalized routing choices for later. Once navigation starts, use voice guidance so you keep eyes on the road. Adjust volume and guidance verbosity in settings. You can add stops by tapping Add Stop, reorder them, or drag alternative routes to change the path. This helps avoid construction or save time. Make sure lane guidance is enabled for complex junctions, and watch the ETA and traffic color codes to anticipate slowdowns. If you need to reroute, Google recalculates automatically, but you can manually pick an alternative when available. When you arrive, tap End to stop navigation and optionally save the place for future use. That helps next trips. If maps show wrong roads or closures, report the issue using the menu so data improves, or edit saved places to correct addresses. If guidance fails, first restart the app, then check GPS permissions and toggle mobile data. This fixes most signal and sync problems. If still stuck, reboot the phone. That often clears stale location caches and restores reliable routing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.